What if the story of Islam didn't begin in the desert, but at the very beginning of humanity? Not as a new religion, but as the same message repeated again and again. It started with a man, Adam, peace be upon him, the first human, and more than that, the first to be guided. From the very beginning, humanity was not left alone. There was direction, purpose, a clear understanding there is one God, and life is a test. And even then, there was a place, a location set apart for worship, not built for beauty, not built for status, but for one purpose, to turn to the Creator alone. But time passed, generations changed, people forgot, and when the great flood came, in the time of Nuh, peace be upon him, much of what was known was lost. Even that sacred place disappeared from sight, hidden, waiting, until centuries later, a man was sent back to it, not to start something new, but to restore what had been there before. Ibrahim, peace be upon him, a man who refused to follow blindly, a man who stood for truth, even when he stood alone. He was led to a valley with nothing in it, no water, no life, no reason to build anything. Yet he obeyed. With his son Ismail, peace be upon him, they raised the foundation of a house that once stood before them. The Kaaba, not the beginning, but the rebuilding, a return to the original purpose. And for a time, people understood. They gathered, they worshipped one God. But slowly, things changed again. Not all at once, step by step, until the truth became mixed, and the place built for one God was surrounded by idols. Yet it still stood, unmoved, waiting. And through all of this, messengers continued to come, one after another, each one calling back to the same truth. Musa, peace be upon him, standing against oppression, calling people back. Isa, peace be upon him, born in a miraculous way, a sign, a reminder. Yet like those before him, not everyone accepted the message. And still, the message never changed. One God, one purpose, one accountability. Until the final chapter began, in Mecca, a city full of trade, power, and idols, where the Kaaba still stood, but no longer represented what it was built for. And in that world, a man grew up, known for honesty, trusted by everyone, but troubled by what he saw. So he would leave it all behind, searching for truth, until one night everything changed. A command came, simple, direct, and with that moment, the final message began. Muhammad, peace be upon him, not sent to one nation, not sent to one people, but to all of humanity. Not bringing something new, but restoring everything that came before. To worship one God. The same truth from Adam, peace be upon him, to Ibrahim, peace be upon him, to Musa, peace be upon him, to Isa, peace be upon him, now complete, preserved, unchanged, and still followed today by billions. So when you hear about Islam, understand this: it didn't start in one place. It didn't belong to one group. It is the continuation of a message that was always the same. If this changed the way you see Islam, leave a like and subscribe so more people can hear the full story.